Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hoon. My channel is all about making better coffee. This afternoon I'm going to show you guys how I make AeroPress at home or work. And if you haven't used an AeroPress in a long time, make sure get one for your loved ones for the holiday gifts idea. Okay, this thing is inexpensive, fantastic. Only thing you need is some sorts of hand grinder. Okay, ideally use a hand grinder. I'm using San Antonio Industry, the Millwright hand grinder, and make sure to check it out as well. I'm going to put the link down below. And AeroPress is really tasty and really fun to use. Again, you can use it anywhere, especially if you're out camping or hiking. Only thing you need is just coffee beans and some hand grinder and hot water. That's it. Anyway, so today I'm going to make comes to recipe wise, man, there is tons and tons different recipes out there. So I'm just gonna stick with what I like. I like using 1:15 ratio. So I'm planning on using 15 grams of freshly ground beans, and then I'm gonna be yield around 220 grams or so, plus minus a couple of grams. So that's what I'm planning on doing. All right, let's make some coffee. First, we're gonna heat up some hot water. Today we are going to use Big House beans from California. So this one has, let's say, tasting profile, chocolate, raisin, cherry. So it's gonna be very fruity and it's gonna be delicious. So I'm going to use 15 grams of this. Comes to grinder setting, more like medium fine. Since hot water is ready, I'm going to start prepare my AeroPress. I'm going to take the screen out, and I'm planning on washing it with hot water. Today we are going to use invert method. Just pretty much we are going to upside down. 15 grams of beans in. First thing I like to do is I like to put 30 grams of water in. And then put rest of water in, around 220 grams total. I'm going to put the cap back on, like so. I'm going to gently squeeze it. Smells great. Okay, so this is perfect size for one person, one serving. I like that a lot. Okay, smells good. Smells definitely cherry as well. So let's try the coffee. So this cup from Acme cups from 8-ounce coffee supplier in Canada. So let's try. Wow. Okay, if you guys are, if you guys want to try something new. I know we drink a lot of espresso or latte at home, but I mean it's nice to change once in a while, like AeroPress or pour over. Man, this if you guys enjoy black coffee, nothing like it. This is fantastic. So easy to make, and you can experiment with all kinds of different recipes out there. I mean, I just using just one recipe, I like to use, kind of like 1:15 ratio. There is hundreds and hundreds different type of kind of recipes out there. So, and also you make sure to check out on YouTube. There is a AeroPress World Championship as well, so you can get their recipes as well. So, coffee is wonderful. It's fun to use. Fantastic. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, thumbs up. Better yet, subscribe my channel. And just make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. See you guys next time.